welcome back to my ASMR channel. I hope you are doing amazing today. I have something nice and special to show you, and it's my work. Yay! So lately I have been working in some journals. I create my own journals, and I thought it would be a nice idea to create just more journals and to sell them. I have with me this journal. So this is one journal that I create, and I also have two others that I would love to show you, but let's start with this. I handmade this journal, as you can see, and let's open it and I'm going to show you a couple of pictures. So this journal is a fashion related journal, and I put a lot of love in this journal. I use color pink and different textures. Here, as you can see, I stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. Okay, then I also stitch this beautiful fabric. Oh, and I also add a lace here, so this is very nice. I think it's a nice detail and I really love it. My goal in this video was to make like an ASMR show and tell, but I think my voice is not ASMR anymore. I don't know. But yeah, okay, let's begin. So I use this yellowish style fabric with little squares, and I really love it because it gives a little bit of color, joyful color. And also the lace, I put it here, and I saw this at the machine, as you can see. And for my first page, I have this "You are wonderful, darling," and I stitch this at the machine. And yeah, so I'm going to go page by page so that you can see whatever I have in this beautiful journal that I put a lot of effort and a lot of work, you know. It's a lot of work, but I really enjoy to do it. So yeah. Here, this first I add this envelope, which is a simplicity, but at the same time it has this colorful envelope. So why an envelope? Here is very nice to add one envelope because you can add here a card, and you can, for example, write the date that you start to write or collaging inside your journal. So it's good to have always something like a pocket, or you know. So then I stitch this pocket, which is in fabric, and here I create this perfect tag, which cup of coffee, so you can write also here, and I really like it. I don't know, I just enjoy this. I add also a Queen Elizabeth stamp. Here we have another page, which I really, all the pages I try to make it colored or tea stain paper. Here I add like a sticker here too, and these pages are so beautiful because yeah, they are so ready to be like used right inside. And I don't know, like I think I try to put the best dedication that I can, and I really like the fact that I could add these stickers and it match with the page. Then also here I stitch. I do a lot of stitches in each pages, pretty much everything. This is a different kind of paper, and I also added because if you wanna do, like, you can rip this, I think, if you wanna do your to-do list. This I leave it like this because sometimes you guys wanna like put here or put it like here. So yeah, I just keep it here. So okay, now here I have, this is like a bell, so you can add something here. Here I try to make a pocket, like you can see. This is a card, so you can write here inside, also here. Okay, here I also do stitch everything, different kinds of papers, and I add also this image. Here I have the idea to stitch a fabric, and I really think it's a pretty nice. Here I have a tea stain page with a sticker. Here I try different things, and I add this here, this page also. It's so lovely, so lovely. The prints are just amazing. I mean, the color pages are so beautiful. Here is a fabric, and I make it like this, and I love it. Here I add a clip with a paper like this, so you can write here or on the back. So I try to keep some pages with any, like this one for example, with any decor, so that you can add your own sticker. Here I have this also with two different pages with this little tag. Here I make a pocket. It's a big pocket here. And here, look how nice is this embellishment. This is one signature. This is the second signature, which we have this beautiful image of Twiggy, which says July 1967, and we have her here, and I think this color match pretty much her poncho, and yeah, I love it. I really love it. Here I make a pocket, but this one I glue it just to make something different. Here, look how beautiful is this print. Okay, I am so sorry guys if you hear noises of the cars, because it is a beautiful day here in Montreal, and when it's a beautiful day like this, a lot of traffic happening in the city. And I am right now close to the river. When you live close to the river, I think that people are coming to the river, and that's why you hear a lot of traffic noises. But beside that, sorry for any noises that you hear in the background, or my doggy, a card. Okay, so I found this print, this page, and I think the motifs is beautiful. I add this sticker who says now or never. Then I add a pocket here, and I try to make this kind of trim, and also I add this pocket. It's a pocket. Here it's just a nice embellishment, and just like this, so you can write here inside and hide it, something if you wanna. Here, look how beautiful is this tea stain paper. I love it, and I made this myself. I tea stained this myself. So this page paper with a sticker. Here I make a pocket, and I add this so that you can glue anywhere that you want, or make it as a card, or glue it anywhere that you want, and it's pretty cool. Here I use a different kind of paper. Here I also use a paper from a pattern, and I really like it because it's unique. And yeah guys, all these journals are really unique. You cannot find two similars or anything like that, so that's exactly why people love journals and buy them, because they are a piece of art. And yeah, it's very nice to have it. I mean, here I stitch a fabric, and yeah, here I leave this like so, So you can also add charms here if you want. You can add your stuff. It's nice paper, so I glue it here, I stitch it here, and then yeah. Here I add mushroom, and I glue this on the back of this beautiful. Look how beautiful is this page! Wow, just so beautiful. Here another page. Here that I put stickers like so that you can write it. Here is the same pattern page with a pocket. Another page. Here I try to just glue this and leave it with anything, because I attach this thing, like, so you can write stuff here. I found it very cute, so I just leave it like this so that you can use it. And in the other side I do like the same with another kind of paper. It says notes, and let me show you this one, which is very cute, I think. So I do this like so. For here, this beautiful print page with different little stickers. Here, this comes from the internet, so I will link down below the link for this sticker. Here I also attach this paper and this one, so that you can use. Look how beautiful is this. Isn't beautiful? This is so cute. I love it. I love it. And in the other page, oh, this is a pocket. No, sometimes I put pockets on the side, and I attach this like so, and I put 2 clips just in case. Here, as you can see, I trim this like this, and then I add this, my ephemera, embellishment, tags. You can add pretty much all you want, and I add this tag, and I add this, and this little ticket. I think is so cute. Here for my for my third signature, I have this beautiful picture of an actress, and also with a bug right in here. And here on the back of this page I have 2 cards. First with this coffee cup and this bread, very nice. Then I have this flower made with fabric, and I made this as a card. I just want to remind you that this is one of my first journals, so I know that I do a lot, but I think I will be improving more and more, because I want to learn more about how to do better journals with more stuff. And this is another card, for example, which I found very nice cup of coffee, and here a tray with a computer, a laptop, and I attach here with this clip here. Wow, how beautiful is this page. French Tour Eiffel Tower, and here I add a sticker: do your best, then forget the rest. Here, oh, this one was here. It's a bingo paper card. Here in this page it's a tea stain paper, and I add a little card too with your to-do list. You can write here or in the back too. And in a pocket here, a little embellishment and a little like tag or something that I add here. Here I'm sorry for the barking noises. Is my little doggy. For this page is the tea stain paper with the lines so you can write, and it's very nice. Then here I add this corset and these colored things. So I'm going to go just one by one. I won't be talking so that you can appreciate the work. And yeah. As you can see, I make different style on the pages. Here is like a button, and I attach in this paper this button like so, and then inside I have this big note card that you can write inside. I found it very practical. Pocket. Here's another page with a stamp, a doily, yeah. And I really take all my time to make these because I really enjoy to glue, to sew this at the machine, to put a lot of great emotion, feelings, and I don't know, I found that each journal have his own special stuff and uniqueness. And yeah, here for example I made this pocket and I glue this butterfly, this basket, and I make a tag. So this tag is like a boot, and this I sew this at the machine. I add different papers, and I made it like this, and so you can write here in the tag, or you can use it in your books when you read, and you can use it like to separe something. And yeah, so I made this and I attach it here. Then here I have a mushroom image. I almost glue it here and here, but I say maybe I just let it like this so that you can glue it anywhere you want and add your own touch, your own personal stuff. So yeah, here I have envelope from friends, and I really love this envelope. It's so majestic, so nice. And so you can add here your cards or whatever you like, embellishment, tags, whatever. So yeah, here in this pocket I add this, as you can see. Then I add this little tag, and here this little thing. I add a lot of things that you can glue on your papers, so that again, my doggy, sorry about that, you could make your own creation too. And here on this next I create this card, a flip card with a pocket, so you can put your stuff here too. I create a pocket, 2 pockets in fact. So yeah, here also is a pocket so that you can put all your stuff. Here, how beautiful is this? Look, I create this kind of stuff that you can add all your stickers, your embellishments, and yeah guys, I really enjoy everything, the little cuteness, little stuff that you can add. So I also add a sticker here, so a lot of details. And remember that I'm just starting on this, like I said before, and for my other next journals, I'm going to work really on adding more texture on my journals, because here I think I can add like more fabric, for example, and I think, yeah, it will really improve the quality of the journals, and maybe also the price. I don't know, but the important is that this is like a pocket. Look how beautiful is this. The nice thing is that, yeah, you can improve the quality of your journals, and there is always place to just get better with this and improve your talent. Here, for example, look what I did. I made a tag like so, and I attach a lace here, and this is a pocket, so you can add here whatever you want and put it like this. And here, look how beautiful is this image. Like sometimes you can get inspired from an image too, so that you can add different layers of like papers and tissues and image and embellishment to create really nice, something really nice. So that's what I'm planning for my next journal, like I say before. Here I print a doily from a website, and I print actually 2 doilies. How cute is this? Look, perfect. Here I have 2 papers like this, and a sticker with a pocket here, so you can add plenty of stuff, plenty of stuff. Here I have another pocket that I didn't attach. Maybe I will love to glue this here. I'm gonna put it on the side because I don't know where is my glue right now, so I'm just gonna show you the pages. I will glue that just after, so it's good that I saw this. And I here, look, this is a big pocket, and I make this pocket like this, and so you can put your stuff here, and a little tag so you can open this like so. Here a tea stain lined paper and a big sticker, and I really love these little things that I put here. Here in this beautiful page, this really nice paper, so you can write here, and in a pocket. This is a fabric pocket. Look how nice is this. I think I want to glue this here, but I can also leave it like this. This is the to-do list that I put here. Here I want to also glue it as a pocket, so we will be doing this later after the video. Here I just add this fashion old picture of a woman. Here I put like blue paper. Here I create a pocket, and I add 2 different papers, and I make a card, which so you can write here, and yeah, very nice. Here I have life is good here, that I clip that here. Then for the next and last signature, I have this nice page with different words and style of papers. Here I put a pocket. Here I put the same bingo card paper. Here is another pocket, so you can add your stuff here too, like so, for example. And then you can write also in this page. Here a big pocket, so that you can add also your stuff here, like so. Okay, another little pocket here, and another pocket. I made a lot of pockets on this because yeah, it's nice to have pockets on your journal. Bell, a little bell, so you can add things here. Here another bell with a different little purse. Here I add a pocket, but with another kind of paper. Here just a nice print paper that I found it very nice, and I say why not, I'm going to add it here, so that's what I did. Here a big pocket again. Here a nice idea that I got is this, I stitched these 2 lines, and I stitched this kind of paper from a pattern, and I really love it. I found the idea very nice, and yeah. Here I try to do different colors, this one and the tea stain. And here I create this, like, look how nice is this paper. And also inside you can write this, and I stitch everything at the sewing machine. And another tea stain paper, like so. Oh, this is another little card, like so, that I create. And I add this pocket, like so. And yeah, guys. And here another nice page which says there is beautiful reasons to be happy. Here another pocket like this. Look how cute is this. The coffee sticker, the pocket, mini pocket. Then you can write inside. Here with the fabric pocket that I made. And yeah, this is nice page. Here I made a flipping page and a pocket also here, and this is like antique piece of paper, and I stitch here, and yeah. So yeah, this is the last page, guys. And for this part of the journal I add a pocket in a fabric, like so, and I add this nice card here so that you can write here, and I put it in this nice pocket, fabric flowery pocket. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I will link down below my webpage where you can go by and and go see the details of this journal, how many pages, and the size of the journal, and the materials that I use, the web page where I print a couple of images on the internet, and also the price of the journal if you wanna purchase or give it as a gift or keep it for yourself to write all your souvenirs and your daily life. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.